3 weeks ago, an unexpected leak gave the creative world its first glimpse of DJI's most secretive camera yet. Someone walked into a coffee shop in Shenzhen, casually placed the device on a table, snapped a photo, and walked away. That single image has now surfaced online, confirming nearly everything we suspected about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. While most of the attention has naturally focused on this compact camera, the bigger story is DJI's remarkable strategic maneuvering. 7 entirely new products cleared US certification just days before a major regulatory change was set to take effect. This isn't just a product rollout, it's a survival strategy executed with surgical precision. For creators planning purchases in 2026, understanding this timeline could save hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars and prevent costly missteps. The leaked coffee shop image shows 2 small gimbal cameras side by side. One is clearly the familiar Osmo Pocket 3, and the other is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. The differences are subtle at first glance, but crucial upon closer inspection. The Pocket 4 has a slimmer, more refined body compared to the utilitarian design of its predecessor. DJI has managed to shave bulk without compromising structural integrity, suggesting a complete overhaul of the internal layout. The detail that immediately stands out is the addition of 2 physical buttons below the LCD screen. These controls, which first appeared in promotional material back in October in Barcelona, are a game changer for creators. They allow precise control of zoom, focus, and gimbal movements without relying solely on touchscreen gestures, a limitation that often frustrated users of the Pocket 2 and 3 during action or rain-soaked shoots. The Pocket 4 screen has been slightly enlarged, likely by about 1/4 of an inch diagonally. While seemingly minor, this improves framing accuracy and confidence without sacrificing portability. More significant is the performance upgrade. While the Pocket 3 tops out at 4K 60 FPS, leaks suggest the Pocket 4 can record 4K at 120 FPS. This opens the door to professional-grade slow-motion footage, all in a camera small enough to fit in your pocket. Combined with the refined 1-inch sensor, rumored to offer improved low-light performance and dynamic range, the Osmo Pocket 4 could dramatically elevate handheld filmmaking and vlogging. Battery life also appears improved, with better heat management to allow extended 4K recording sessions without overheating. The classic 3-axis gimbal remains, but smarter, faster stabilization algorithms promise superior subject tracking and resistance to sudden jerks or movements. The real question for many creators is whether to wait for the Pocket 4 or pick up a discounted Pocket 3. Current intelligence indicates the Pocket 4 has cleared FCC approval, so a US launch is imminent, expected between mid-March and April 2026, roughly 8 to 12 weeks away. For travel content creators, event shooters, or anyone requiring instant deployment, waiting is the smart move. The Pocket 4 is shaping up to render dedicated vlogging cameras largely obsolete, offering pro-grade functionality in an extremely compact form factor. Interestingly, the leaked coffee shop image was taken at a Luck & Coffee location, a massive chain in China near DJI's Shenzhen headquarters. The casual nature of this leak suggests DJI's confidence that the launch is very near. But the Pocket 4 is only part of the story. DJI is preparing something much more radical, the DJI Avata 360. Unlike any drone DJI has ever built, the Avata 360 is a fully integrated 360-degree FPV drone designed from the ground up to capture immersive footage. Previous attempts to combine 360 cameras with drones often failed due to propeller interference, difficult stitching, and weight-induced flight limitations. DJI appears to have solved all of these challenges. The Avata 360 uses dual 1-inch sensors capable of recording 8K spherical video at 50 frames per second, ensuring crisp detail and smooth motion even in demanding conditions. Its camera module rotates on demand, allowing instant transitions from full 360-degree footage to forward-facing FPV shots without landing or changing hardware. This flexibility is a game-changer for filmmakers capturing immersive landscapes, action sports, or VR-first content. Flight time for the Avata 360 has also been improved, with a battery capacity of 38.67 watt-hours, roughly 26% more than its predecessor, providing an extra 5 to 8 minutes in real-world conditions. DJI has integrated advanced obstacle sensing, rare for FPV drones, ensuring safer indoor and urban flying. OcuSync 4 provides theoretically up to 20 kilometers of transmission, translating to low latency, stable connections, and minimal signal dropouts. This drone is aimed at creators in real estate VR tours, travel filmmakers, action sports videographers, and immersive content producers who previously struggled with cumbersome 360 setups. Expected pricing is estimated between $999 and $1,299 internationally, with a likely launch in the first quarter of 2026. However, the regulatory environment in the US complicates matters. On December 22, 2025, the FCC added all foreign-made drones and drone components to its controlled list. Under this new policy, even FCC-certified products can be restricted from U.S. sales unless they receive exemptions from the Department of Defense and Department of Homeland Security. This is not a safety issue, it is geopolitical maneuvering with direct implications for consumer electronics. Existing DJI products, Mini 4 Pro, Mavic 3, Osmo Pocket 3, RS4, remain legal, safe, and fully functional. Firmware support is expected to continue, though long-term backing beyond 2026 is uncertain. For anyone planning to buy DJI gear in the US, the key takeaway is to remain calm and strategic. Don't panic buy or fall prey to inflated secondary market prices. If immediate gear is necessary, purchase currently legal products. For upcoming releases, wait for official announcements and confirmed availability. International creators outside the US are unaffected and can expect a normal product rollout throughout 2026. The uncertainty is limited to the US market, creating a temporary, self-inflicted limitation for domestic consumers and competitors' opportunities. The Pocket 4, Avatar 360, and other products like the RS5 passed FCC certification before the regulatory deadline, suggesting DJI anticipated these hurdles and acted preemptively. Certification alone does not guarantee availability, but it positions the company to react quickly once exemptions are approved. This strategic foresight demonstrates DJI's commitment to maintaining its foothold in the US, despite complex political pressures. In terms of workflow, both the Pocket 4 and Avatar 360 promise tangible improvements for creators. The Pocket 4's 4K/120 FPS capability allows high-quality slow motion, the refined sensor delivers superior low-light and dynamic range performance, and the gimbal's upgraded stabilization ensures professional-grade smoothness. For Avatar 360, 8K spherical capture, dual rotating sensors, and advanced obstacle sensing remove many historical pain points of 360 filming, streamlining production and reducing post-processing time. These innovations empower creators to produce cinematic quality footage with minimal hassle, even in dynamic, unpredictable environments. In conclusion, 2026 will be a defining year for creators, with DJI at the center of both technological breakthroughs and regulatory uncertainty. By staying informed, focusing on skills, and understanding the strategic rollout of products like the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and Avatar 360, creators can navigate this period effectively. These releases represent not just new tools, but opportunities to tell better stories, capture immersive content, and redefine what's possible in handheld and aerial filmmaking. The gear is arriving, regulations are shifting, and the future belongs to those who adapt fastest.